Hello everybody. Today we are going to see a support ticket, yet another ticket. So I have got this ticket today only, this morning only. So account determination for entry INT BSX 3003 not possible. It's open. I have taken this from the quality center. Now I'm going to show how to rectify this error. I'm going to close this error. Go to my SAP system. I'm going to create a purchase order and I'm going to do a goods receipt. Go to let's create a purchase order. Go to ME21N. Enter the supplier, enter purchase organization, enter material. 416 is my material. So enter PO quantity, enter plant. HK02 is my plant, HK02 is my storage. Save. Save it. Let me save this. Save. Double click onto this. Let me take this purchase order. Let me do goods receipt / and MIGO. MIGO is the transaction. For paste the purchase order. Let me do goods receipt. Item OK, post. See here, this is the error message. INT BSX 3003 not possible. So the transaction code is BSX OBYC /n OBYC. Go to BSX inventory post. Inventory post. Chart of account is INT. INT. Continue. Okay. Valuation class is 3003. They are saying 3003. See here, 3003. 3003. Okay. Chart of account is INT. Okay, BSX. Okay. Go to select onto this, copy as. Let me do copy as. 3003. Press enter and save. So the account is general ledger account is 3010. So I have already got this from the FICO team. Save it. Let's do GR. Go to MIGO again. Let's go to MIGO. MIGO. So this is my purchase order. Item OK, post. Yet another error for INT PRD. This time it is PRD. INT PRD. Okay, 3003. INT is international chart of account / n OBYC. INT PRD. This time PRD. Let's go to PRD. Where it is PRD. See here, cost price differences. PRD. Double click onto this line item. INT. International chart of account. Again, select onto this, copy as. Sorry, I have opened it here. Come back, PRD. PRD. Where it is? Scroll down, PRD. PRD. Double click. Select this, copy as. 3003. Valuation class is 3003. So same, credit debit 231 000 281 credit 000. Press enter and save. So now come back. Let me do GR now. Go to MIGO. Let's check it now. Item OK, post. So now it is got posted. So now come back. Let me do invoice verification. Go to MIRO. Let me do invoice verification. HK02 is my company code. Enter this purchase order number. Calculate tax. Baseline date. Go to basic data. Enter 7,550 is my amount. Basic business place. Enter business place. Enter section code, scroll down, enter place of supply 22 and post. Directly save it. So now it's got it. So now let me close this ticket. I'm going to close this ticket. Close this ticket. This ticket stands closed. Closed. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.